What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. We'll be playing Nascar. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, let's spawn in a car after this. This is Nascar. This is a Nascar game. As you can see, wait, I'm going to. Don't shut. Okay, guys, I'll just leave and the chat open just just in case you guys want to see them. Okay, guys, let's start this vid. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's race. If you guys want to be featured in one of my vids, subscribe to this video and like and hit the notification bell. Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys, let's just be careful with this race because this is a little bit drifty because the track is drifty and these cars are hard to drive. I'm doing this in my own. Oh, let's try not to crash this one, guys. Let's try not to crash. Okay, there are two chats. Let's see what they're chatting about later. If I can open it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's just open that chat. Oh! Guys, I messed up. Oh, now I think I'm going to crash, guys. Whoa, 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 I'm losing out of control, guys. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, no, no, no. Don't want to lose. Whoa! What a massive crash. Whoa! But I almost flipped, guys. Okay, let's play. Okay. Wait, let's just try not to crash. And there are so many cars here that we could just crash into. But that's not happening today unless it's glitchy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, guys, dude, I messed up. If you guys want to be featured in one of my videos in the future, subscribe and like this video. And also I will be doing a face reveal after 7 months. So make sure to subscribe to see my face. And maybe next time I'll do something else. Not Roblox. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay, guys, let's see. How many laps did I do? Oh, looks like I just did two. Let's try not to crash. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a car. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's try not to crash. Or this will end bad. The next video, guys, I will be doing a face reveal. Uh, let's play another game, guys. I'm getting tired of this game. Okay. Okay. Let's just go to home. Then let's join this guy, which is my friend. Let's try to join him. Later, guys, we will play Ragdoll Engine. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Um, let's. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go up here. Ah, I just fell. Why? Uh, no, what? Is that all free, by the way? I'm going to do this. Hmm. Go ghost. Oh, what? Yep. Let's just get in a conversation with this guy. Okay. Let's go invisible, guys. He won't be able to see me by any chance on this one. Let's go neon. Let's go neon, guys. Okay, guys, we will switch to Brookhaven. Okay, guys, we will now play Brookhaven. Okay, guys, as you can see, let's just text this. This is my Roblox friends or class. I meant. Let's go to game. Oops. This. I promise, guys, this is not what you think I am. It's just before. It's just before. Oh no, guys, I think I'm stuck with here. Let's go. Guys, wait. Let's just tell this guy that I have to reconnect. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's play Brookhaven. Okay, guys, we're here. It's not the one that I did last time. Okay, let's wait for this to load. Okay, let's do this. Just scroll down. I this is not what you think I am, guys. So let's just get this on. Wait, guys. Okay, there we go. Hey, was there someone here? Okay, guys, so let's print here. And I want my hair color to be red. Let's go on this black, red. Let's pick red. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, let's see my new hairstyle. What did this guy do? LOL. Okay, guys, let's spawn this car and let's try to find the house. Let's change this to 55, guys, because I don't want to break the rules in today's video. But I think I'll do it. Yep, definitely I'm doing it already. Okay, guys, let's go here.